A Waterbury man says access to food and water were limited his entire life. And, hello? He also had limited social interaction. Now, as a 32-year-old man, medical professionals are wondering what kind of toll this could have had on a human being. When Dr. Saud Anwar heard about this case, he says he immediately thought about the victim's health.
It's a miracle that he's alive. The fact that his weight is so low, the amount of impact that he's had, it's a miracle that he's alive.
Police said the man weighed less than 70 pounds when he was rescued.
My stepson is in here.
His body mass index is close to 15. It should be minimum 22 for a healthy person. 22 to 23, 24 would be a healthy person. So he needs to be at least another 60, 70 pounds more. So he's half of what he should be.
Anwar feels the man's health is at a point of no return.
The entire body's adjusting to the lack of enough resources, nutrition. In some cases, it's irreversible damage.
Licensed clinical social worker Phyllis DeJoya says the same could also be said for the man's psychological state.
This child, unfortunately, was set up for every kind of delay. He had said that he remembered being locked in his bedroom as early as 3 years old. The development of a sense of emotional safety and security would have been damaged at that very early age.
I asked DeJoya why the man may not have attempted to escape sooner.
The stability of all he has ever known is abuse. There's only one way that would be threatened, and that would more than likely be his own life. There must have been some threat much bigger than his perpetual state of survival.
DeJoya says his recovery is going to be complex.
His version of normal is going to be an integration, I would imagine, of what he has known and what he can learn. Learning coping strategies, cognitive behavioral therapy, trauma-informed care are absolute musts.
Now, since this story broke, we have not gotten any new details on the man's condition, but we will continue to follow this case and provide new details as we get them. In Vernon, Jamel Johnson, Fox 61.